Hey, it's Dan here. Welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you the process that I use to analyze over 50 different ad accounts on a weekly basis that used to take me hours, manual tasks to go through, analyze, look at what was working, come up with the changes, go and implement the changes. Now, this is done in a matter of minutes. And the reason is because Manus, which is a LLM platform out there, has just been acquired by Meta. And Meta are the ones who run, see, the Facebook and the Instagram ads. And there's an integration that makes it so seamless, it feels like you're cheating. It's unreal. You can now just click a button, connect it up, pull the data from any account you look after, and then do what you want with that data. Now, rather than me just tell you about it while I'm sipping my Elite water here, why don't I just show you? So this is going to be a raw look behind the scenes at a process that I use, that you're welcome to take and try yourself, or use it and adjust to suit whatever process you want to use. I'm not saying this is the most right way or the most efficient way, but it's going to be a way that works for me, that I'm seeing results with, so I'm going to share it with you. There's also going to be a few things in here for you that you can take away and use as well. So let's get into it. So here is Manus. As you can see in here, I have a project set up that I'm running that does the audits for all the ads. That's how we're running it. And in here, we've got the connectors button. So already connected up is Meta. So if you click on here, you can go in and you can then see all the connectors. You can add more if you want. And you just click through, connect your ads manager, and then that is it. That sounds crazy, right? So once it's connected, it's on here. You can turn it on and off, and then we can run in and we can say, analyze my ad account last 7 days. Now, I look after quite a few ad accounts, so what we're going to see here is Manus go connect to Ads Manager, pull the ad accounts, and then it will pull the ad data. But what it'll do is it give me tick boxes first to show you which ones that I want to use, and I can select them. So we have all the ad accounts. I'm going to unselect this, and I'm going to go and find my ad account in here. Then we're going to start analysing. So then what we get is a review. It comes into a document. Now this document is obviously over the last 7 days, and we have like a level summary of all the metrics here. We have campaign level performance as well. We then have ad set level performance, and then any observations, and then going into the different campaigns as well. We have official Meta recommendations here, which we can go through and have a look at. Any recommendations that are prioritized in there. Now, whilst this is good and I like it, like I can use this to get more insight, and it's also quicker than like going in and manually having a look at everything yourself. What I do with this is I take this and I copy it, and I go over to Claude, our friend Claude, and I've set in here a project up, and this project has a specific prompt in here that I will happily give you below in the description. You can take that and use it to set up your own project. Now what I'm going to do is just paste that into here, and I'm going to say run the review on this data. And that's going to go, it's going to use the specific prompt that we've given it in here to then go through and pull that data. And I will show you what it looks like when it comes out the other side. When we get to this, it's brought a full analysis dashboard with any critical issues up here, 1% lookalike audience, all fragmentation that's been flagged on there, account level summary, what's happening, and then we've got different breakdowns here, so ad set, recommendations, scorecard as well. So when we get into this, we can really drill into the numbers on each campaign, and also I'm a visual person. I learn and I can absorb things much more when it's a bit more visual. So for me, having something like this makes it a lot easier, whereas this document is fine and I can still infer from it, but when I've got something that's a bit more visual, it's easier for me to take in, plus it's clearer for what actually needs to be done. We get down here, we've got some stuff that we need to do urgently on here. This one's duplicate, that's an immediate fix. Strongest performer is this one, and that gives me pretty much everything I need to know to then go and actually take action on this, right? At each part here I can go into the breakdowns, for example, and have a look at each one here. This one is like, so pause, review urgently, go into these and actually make some adjustments. And also I can get into the recommendations. Cool, this is what I need to do first. Look at this one. This one's been set up, so that's fine. Expand the audience pool, that's fine, we can do that. And then creative refresh, which has been on the list for a little while now. So it gives you the things in a priority order of what I need to do next, which is great. And I can click into the scorecard, have a little overview picture of everything here. It's all where I need it to be. So if you're someone who uses Ads Manager and on a regular basis, and you're looking at the data and you're thinking like, there's got to be an easier way to do this, then this is it. If you use Manus, of course. The integration is the thing that makes it easy, just because it's so simple to set up. I will say I still check these manually because it did miss one whole ad set the other day, and I was like, what about this ad set? It's missed it in there. So just look out for things like that. I don't know why it missed it, but it did. But yeah, it's going to give you so much more in such a quick time as well that it would take you normally, I don't know, 45, maybe an hour to review everything and then go in and make the changes. Now I can do this in literally under 10 minutes, and then I can get in and make the changes. And you know, that's the thing when you're dealing with performance of an ad campaign. You want to get in and make those changes quicker and not have the time to then be spent on it, like just analyzing the data. You can get in there and actually make the changes. So for me, this has been a huge tweak to my workflow, and actually something that we're seeing positive impact from. So if you do want to get access to the prompts that we use to actually build out the projects in here, and also the one that we use in Manus as well, like let me know, because this is in the project here as well. You'll see them in the description box below. You can get hold of them. If you do have any questions, please drop them below in the comments as well. Happily answer. And if you are using this already, I'd love to know your views on it. Do you find it useful? Is it saving you time? You know, all of that. And if you're new here, please stick around, hit the subscribe button. Love to have you here. Dropping videos like this every single week at the moment, and I will see you in the next one.